Do these do anything? This is a trailer hitch tightener. And the idea is you just wrap this around your hitch to your receiver, and it's supposed to remove all vibrations and rattles. I'm wondering though, for an empty load on a trailer, if it'll help with some of the jarring of the movement that's in the hitch to receiver, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So it's hot, so I'm gonna hurry up, but this is what I'm talking about. And I'm thinking with an unloaded trailer, and we're traveling like 2,000 miles, will this help with some of that movement and give us a slightly better ride? So we're gonna see. I got the trailer, we're gonna hook it up. I need to test the trailer brakes I adjusted. And yeah, two birds, one stone. So let's see. So while editing the video, I realized because of the angle I was in, that this is backwards. So let's reverse this and you don't make the same mistake I did. Okay, fix. Again, just a 3/8 impact. I got set on 3. And it does look a lot better now that I'm at the same angle of it. So don't make my mistake. And that's it. A lot of ugga-duggas, but it's solid. I mean, it has to be worth something. So see, I got to move some tools out the way and let's hook it up to a trailer. So we're hooked up. Really can't tell a difference here. I do put my chains on top because if I don't, my chains will drag the ground. Something that just works for me. Can't say it's 100% right, but it's what I do. And that's it. Let's go for a test drive. So I can't really say it made that big of a difference. It smooths out around 70 miles per hour with or without it. And I just don't know, like, I want to say it made it better, but I wouldn't bet money on it. Let's put it that way. But right, it has to make it better. But anyway, this is my honest review. Tell me what you think. Please leave a comment whether or not you think it's a waste of money. Do you think you've had experience with it? You would like to try it? I don't know. I ain't gonna take it off. You can bet that. But anyways, I'd like to know your opinion for real.